In this video, you will learn what is initials and finals in Pinyin. Click on the subscribe button below to get started. Chinese syllables can be divided into initials, finals, and the tones. In Chinese, there are 21 initials and 38 finals in Pinyin. Some of these initials and finals cannot be joined together. Here I can say that the initials are similar to the English consonants, while the finals are similar to the English vowels. Get ready to learn how to pronounce these initials and finals. The initials: P, P, M, F, T, T, N, L, G, K, H, J, Q, X. Again: P, P, M, F, T, T, N, L, G, K, H, J, Q, X. Finals: I, U, U, R, A, Ya, Wa, O, Wo, Ye, Yue, I, Y, A, Wei, Ao, Yao. Again: I, U, U, R, A, Ya, Wa, O, Wo, Ye, Wei, I, Y, A, Wei, Ao, Yao. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more interesting video lessons. See you in the next video.